Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will compare BMW X1 versus Model Y. Follow along as we examine handling, range, cargo space, charging, tech, safety features, and ownership costs in clear terms. I'll point out who each car suits and where trade-offs show up. Stay with me for quick examples, real-world context, and a simple recap that helps you decide which model fits your needs. Let's dive in together now. Comparing acceleration, top speed, and driving feel helps choose between BMW X1 and Model Y. Note that one offers quicker off the line while the other favors steady electric torque. Consider real road testing for range estimates and charging speed, and think about your typical commute and charging options at home or work. I will highlight test numbers, user experiences, and practical tips to match performance to your lifestyle. Stay tuned. Quick recommendation: if you want tidy, spill-proof meals on the go, try these leak-proof containers for secure storage and easy cleaning. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so you don't miss future comparisons. Check the description for the link and other deals on the product and accessories. Thanks for supporting the channel, and now let's get back to the video. I appreciate your time and feedback in the comments. Interior room, cargo flexibility, and tech determine daily comfort for buyers choosing between these two vehicles. We'll compare seating, materials, infotainment, and cargo measurements to see practical differences, and discuss maintenance, warranty, insurance, and resale expectations that influence total ownership cost. I will translate spec sheets into real-world impact and give straightforward advice on which car saves money or delivers more comfort for common use cases. Let's continue now.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.